So when you get a broken stud on the exhaust on one of these Rams, what happens is that it breaks flush on the head. You see, that's one of the bolts there. That's one of the holes. The stud actually breaks flush. There's another one up there. So what you gotta do is get the welder like this, settings around here, a little bit higher. And actually build up a little lump on the actual stud, and then weld a nut to that piece of metal built up on the stud, and then use a wrench and take it out. And you don't have to worry because the head is aluminum and the stud is metal. I'll show you in a minute. You see now with the nut welded, you can take it off. I want to be careful because sometimes the weld snaps off. I'll show you when I get it out. Alright, so it's almost out. Got the nut welded on there. Still a little hot because I just welded it on there, but yeah. Hey. So you do that, and then you got one more, but this one's in a tougher spot. We'll see how we get that one. See, after the nut is welded on there, we loosen it out. See. Yeah, buddy.